Here are 7 fun sites to visit in Alabama. At Mobil's Battleship Memorial Park, you do not have to look far to find heroes with their simulator flight experience. Barber Vintage Motorsports Museum is the world's largest collection of motorcycles with 1,000 vintage motorcycles on display. Gulf State Park has 2 miles of beaches that greet you with plenty of white sun-kissed sand, surging surf, and seagulls. McWane Science Center, a nonprofit, hands-on museum, and Max Dome Theater celebrates science. In Portage Creek, the Wharf is a vibrant entertainment district with hundreds of shops and events throughout the year. If you love waterfalls, visit Waterfalls Falls with the largest waterfalls and paved walking trails everywhere in the park. Little River Canyon National Preserve is the deepest canyon east of the Mississippi, surrounded by scenic beauty. So remember to visit Home Sweet Home, Alabama.